Explain the Cauchy's ratio test. Cauchy's ratio test is a test which checks for the convergence and divergence of a series. Let's understand this test with the help of an example. Consider a positive term series, where un is the nth term of the series. Now, with n tending to infinity, let the value of the term be lambda. Evaluating this expression for some value of n, if we get the value of lambda less than 1, then the series is said to converge. And if we get the value of lambda greater than 1, then the series is said to diverge. Thus, we can say that Cauchy's ratio test is a test which checks for the convergence and divergence of a series by evaluating the value of lambda. In this test, if the value of lambda is less than 1, then the series converges. And if the value of lambda is greater than 1, then the series diverges. Note that Cauchy's ratio test fails when the value of lambda is 1. Related terms are